Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you? My anticipation is well by the grace of Almighty Allah and me also well. All of you are welcome to NABS Home School. This is Sabir Hussain Khan, Assistant Teacher in Mathematics at Day Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take Mathematics class for class 3 and our today's topic is fill in the blanks part 2. Very last one we have already learned fill in the blank part 2. Our today's lecture number is 19 and HW is 19, which is the same as your this class. Now my dear students, let's go to start our class. Look here, question number 16. Very last one we have already learned question number 1 to 15, and for this reason we have started here from number 16, which is greater 7 meter 48 centimeter or 472 centimeter, which is greater here. Look here, here is 7 meter. 7 meter means 700 centimeter, because 100 centimeter is equal 1 meter. Then we can write 7 meter is equal 700 centimeter. And here is also 42 centimeter. Here is also 42 centimeter. After adding these 2 centimeter units, we can write here 742 centimeter in total. So 7 meter 42 centimeter is equal 742 centimeter, and here is 472 centimeter. 472 centimeter. So we can here write obviously 742 centimeter is greater. So which is greater here? 7 meter and 42 centimeter is the greater here. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now number 17, circle the leap year. Circle the leap year. Look here, here is 1584, 1601, 1843, and the last one is 1997. Which year is leap year? To find the leap year, we have to divide the year by 4. Look here, here is 97 is the last 2 digit. It is not divisible by 4. Here the last 2 digit is 43. It is also not divisible by 4. Here is last 2 digit is 01. This is not also divisible by 4. But look here, here is last 2 digit 84. Look here, 84 is divisible by 4 because 4 2s are 8 and bring down 4 here, 4 1s are 4. So here which year is leap year? Here is 1584 is leap year. My dear students, you have to remember that which year will be divided by 4, then that year is a leap year. To find a leap year, you can find last 2 digit of a year. If the last 2 digit of year is divisible by 4, then you can obviously say that year will be leap year. Hope you understood this one. Now number 18, 200 kilometer and 500 meter minus 100 kilometer and 700 meter. So we have to subtract 100 kilometer 700 meter from 200 kilometer and 500 meter. So we have to subtract this one. Look here, here is 700 is greater than 500. Then we can borrow from 1 kilometer from the 200 kilometer, and then it will be 199 kilometer, and here is 1000 meter and 500 meter. After adding these 2 numbers, we can write in total here is 1500 meter and here is 100 kilometer and 700 meter. Look here, here is 700 meter is smaller than 1500. Now subtract 0 from 0, it will be 0. 0 from 0, it will be 0. 7 from 5, 5 will be 15, and 7 from 15, it will be 8. We have carry 1. 1 from 1, it will be 0. No need to write 0 here. Now the previous unit is kilometer. Then subtract 100 from 199, it will be 99 kilometer. So after subtracting 100 kilometer, 700 meter from 200 kilometer and 500 meter, it will be 99 kilometer and 800 meter. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now number 19, look here, number 19 is 7 times 120 added to 1000. 7 times 120, so we have to multiply 120 by 7. So what will be here? 7 zeros is 0, 7 twos are 14, we have carry 1, 7 ones are 7 and 1, it will be 8. 7 times of 120, what will be? It will be 840. Now we have to add it to 1000. So after adding here 1000, what will be here? It will be 1840. What will be here? It will be 1840. Hope you understood this one. So 7 times 120 added to 1000 is 1840. Now question number 20. Insert less than, greater than or equal sign among these numbers. Here is 9752 and here is, look here, 9000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 2. Look here, here is 2000. What will be here? 2. 700. What will be here? 7. 50. What will be here? 5. And remaining 9 will be here. So after adding 9000 with 500 with 70 and 2, it will be 9572, which is equal with this one. So we can put here equal sign. Then look here, 10,000 and 428. We have to subtract 428 from 10,000. What will be here? 10 from 8 from 0, 0 will be 10. 8 from 10, what will be? It is 2, and we have carry 1. 2 and 1 makes 3. 3 from 10, it will be 7. Again we have carry 1. 4 and 1 is 5. 5 from 10, it will be 5. Again we have carry 1. 1 from 10, it will be 9. So what will be here? Here is 9572 also, which is, look here, here is 9752, but here is 9572. 9572 will be smaller than this one. Then what will be here? 9572 and here is 9572 is equal this one. So we can write here greater than sign here and equal sign here, because 9752 is greater than 9572, which is equal. After subtracting 422 from 10,000, it will be 9572. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now number 21. How many hours are from 8:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m.? How many hours? 8:30 to 6:30 p.m. Look here, here is 9:30. What will be here? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 makes, what will be here? We have already learned 13 makes 1 p.m. so it will be 1. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many hours here? Here it will be 10 hours. Hope you understood this one. Now 10 boys and 15 girls are in a class. What fraction of the children are girls? The question number 22 is 10 boys and 15 girls. Then we can write in total here is 25 students. In total here is 25 students in a class. What fraction of the children are girls? What fraction of the children are girls? Look here, out of 25 here is 15 girls. So we can write here 15 out of 25 are girls. Again, look here, here is 10 boys and 15 girls. In total here is 25 students in a class, and out of 25 here is 15 girls. So we can write here 15 out of 25 girls in a class. Now question number 23. Make the greatest number possible using 70981. Which will be the greatest number here? Look here, which is the greatest here? Here is the 9 is the greatest, so it will be 9. Then what will be here? It is 8. 8 here. Then what will be here? It is 7, and here is 1, and the last one is 0. So the greatest possible number is 98,710. Now question number 24. The predecessor of 82,000. Predecessor means the last digit of a number. So what will be here? Here it will be 81,999, because 82000, if we subtract 1 from it, 1 from 0 it will be 9, we have carry 1, 1 from 0 it will be 9, again we have carry 1, 1 from 0 it will be 9, again we have carry 1, 1 from 2 it will be 1, and 8 will be remaining here. So 81,999 is the predecessor of 82,000. Hope you understood this one. Now question number 25. 90 days. 90 days will have dash weeks and dash days. 90 days will have how many weeks will be here? 90 days. We know that 7 days is equal 1 week. So we have to divide 90 by 7. What will be here? 7 ones are 7, and here is remaining 2. Bring down 0 here, and it makes 7 twos are 14. Then subtracting 14 from 20, it will be 6. So how many weeks are here? Here is 12 weeks. And how many days here? Here is 6 days. So we can write 90 days will have 12 weeks, and how many days here? 6 days. Hope you understood question number 25. Now number 26. 9,462 plus dash is equal 10,000. So we have to subtract 9,462 from 10,000. Then what will be here? 2 from 10 it is 8, 6 from 10, and we have carry 1, so 6 will be 7, 7 from 10 it will be 3, we have carry 1, 4 and 1 5, 5 from 10 it will be 5, we have carry 1, 1 and 9 is 10, 10 from 10 is 0, and what will be here? And here is carry 1, 1 from 1 it will be 0, so no need to write 0 here. So again look here, 8 and 2, 2 plus 8 10, we have carry 1, 3 and 1 4, 4 and 6 10, again we have carry 1, 5 and 1 6, 6 and 4 10, we have carry 1, 9 and 1 10. So here it will be 538. 9,462 plus 538 is equal 10,000. Now question number 25. which month has less than 30 days? Which month has less than 30 days? We know that only February has less than 30 days. So it will be here. It will be February. Now number 28. 3942. Look here, 3942. Then the next number is 3948. 3948. And the last one is 3954. We have to add these numbers 4 and 8. It will be 12. 12 and 2, it will be 14. We have carry 1. 5 and 1, 6. 6 and 14. 10 from 4, it will be 14. Again we have carry 1. 9 and 1, 10. 10 and 9, 19. 19 and 9, it will be 28. We have carry 2 here. 3 and 2, 5. 5 and 3, 8. 8 and 3, it will be 11. So after adding 3942 with 3948 and 3954, it will be 11,844. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now question number 29. 144 minus 15 plus 3. Look here, I have used here a sign which is called bracket. If you see any bracket, then you have to start your calculating from then. 15 plus 3. What will be 15 plus 3? It will be 18. So we have to subtract 18 from 144. 144. 8 from 14. It will be 6. You have carry 1. 1 and 1, 2. 2 from 4, it will be 2, and remaining 1 is here. So after subtracting 15 plus 3 from 144, it will be 126. Hope you understood this one. Now question number 30. There are dash hundreds in 7265. How many hundreds are there? Here is the number is 7265. So we have to divide 7265 by 100. What will be here? Look here, here is 7 is smaller than 100, 2 is also smaller than 100, and 6. After taking this 3 digit, it makes 726. And we know that 700 are 700. 7 times of 100 is 700. So after subtracting 700 from 726, here is 6 and here is 2. And bring down 5 here, it makes 265. Then how many times 100 goes to this? 100 2s are 200. And here also remaining is 5 and here is 6. So how many hundreds are there? Here is 72 hundreds in 7265. My dear students, hope you understood today's class. Practice it at your home more and more. Take care of yourself. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.